Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to learn about a concept called as binary fission. Binary fission is a asexual mode of reproduction seen in case of Monera and Protista. In binary fission, a parental organism divides amitotically to form two new daughter cells. Now based on the plane of division or the plane of fission, binary fission can be seen in four different types. It can be irregular binary fission seen in case of amoeba, where the plane of division is irregular to the body axis. It can also be transverse binary fission seen in case of paramecium, where the plane of division is transverse to the body axis, or it can also be longitudinal binary fission seen in euglena, where the plane of fission is longitudinal to the body axis. Finally, it can also be oblique binary fission seen in case of serraceum, where the plane of division is oblique to the body axis. Now let us take amoeba as an example and see the mechanism of binary fission. When seen in amoeba, when amoeba is grown to its full size and ready for binary fission, initially the nuclear material elongates. Later, a constriction appears in the mid of the nuclear material which divides the complete nuclear material into two. Later, a deep furrow occurs in the cell membrane of the cell which deepens and finally divides the cell into two new daughter cells. Initially, the nuclear division occurs which is karyokinesis, later the cell division occurs which is cytokinesis. In this way, the binary fission occurs in amoeba where a single amoeba parental cell divides into two new daughter cells. This is how binary fission can be explained in case of amoeba. Also, a special type of transverse binary fission called as strobilation is seen in tapeworms like Taenia solium. Now, do you also know that certain numerical questions are asked based on binary fission? Let us try to solve one. Now, if a bacterial colony is the size of 10 power 15 cells and if each cell divides in 35 minutes, what is the size of the colony after 175 minutes? Now, to solve this question, we have to first find out how many generations of divisions have occurred in 175 minutes if the generation time is 35 minutes for each cell. So, to calculate number of cells, we usually use a formula 2 power n, where n is the number of generations. N is calculated by the total time taken for division and the generation time for each cell. So here the total time is 175 minutes and the generation time for each cell is 35 minutes. So the number of generations n is 5. Now to calculate finally the total number of cells, we already have 10 power 15 cells in the colony which have again multiplied 2 power 5 times where n is 5. So 10 power 15 into 2 power 5 will finally give you 32 into 10 power 15 cells. This is how you can find out the size of colony after a given time when the generation time is given. Make your concept stronger and stay ahead in your learning journey. Join me and other subject experts on the Tutor app for daily free concept classes. Download the app now.